Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The enlightening being, sun banner clouds of universal knowledge, found the door of liberation developing the knowledge of Buddhahood, abiding forever. The enlightening being, greatly persevering with indestructible courage, found the door of liberation, of power to enter into all the boundless symbols of the teachings. The enlightening being, banner of light of fragrant flames, found the door of liberation, showing how all the present Buddhas first began enlightening practice, and on through to their final consummation of the body of knowledge and wisdom. The enlightening being, deep beautiful sound of great enlightened virtue, found the door of liberation peacefully abiding in the ocean of all the great vows of Vairochana, the illuminator. The enlightening being, born of wisdom with the light of great virtue, found the door of liberation, revealing the most profound realm of the Buddha, which pervades the cosmos. At that time, the enlightening being, great brilliance of the moon reflected in the ocean, empowered by the Buddha, observed the ocean of arrays of all the hosts of enlightening beings, and said in verse, "The transcendent means and the stages of enlightenment, vast, inconceivable, are all fulfilled. Infinite sentient beings subdued and harmonized, all Buddha lands are pure. As Buddha teaches in the world of beings, all lands in the 10 directions are filled. In an instant of thought, he turns the wheel of truth, accommodating it to all states of mind. Buddha, over countless vast eons, has appeared everywhere before sentient beings, according to his past cultivation. He shows his purified realm of action. I see everywhere, in all directions, and see the Buddhas showing mystic powers, all sitting in sanctuaries realizing enlightenment, surrounded by listening crowds. The immense radiance of Buddha's reality body can appear in the world through expedient means, according with the inclinations of all beings' minds, reigning the teachings to suit their faculties.